Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This morning it's my day off, and I'm off to the GAGANACHUKKI and the BHARACHUKKI Waterfalls, which is about 130 kilometers from my home here in Bangalore. Thank you for joining me. My ride is taking me through Kanakpura on National Highway 948. Unfortunately, Google Maps has decided to take me into the jungles and some villages, but I suggest you stay on the National Highway as long as you can. Both the waterfalls are situated on the Kaveri River. And first up, it's GAGANACHUKKI, and there's massive construction work going on, due to which it's a bit messy. It takes about half an hour to ride between GAGANACHUKKI and BHARACHUKKI, and we pass the Sagar Dam and the mighty Kaveri River as well. The BHARACHUKKI waterfall lies in forest land, and they have an entrance charge of 10 rupees. But the surroundings are in much better shape than the GAGANACHUKKI Dam. There are 3 different viewing levels from which you can view the waterfall, this being the highest, and you go progressively lower. The best time of the year to visit these waterfalls is post-monsoon, when the water flow is very strong. It's time to head back to Bangalore now, but if you liked the video, do consider a like, subscribe or share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.